Today we're gonna cook stir-fried noodles, and I'm gonna teach you the step how to make this delicious and very easy. You just prepare this. Yan, ito yung kailangan natin. Oil, hoisin sauce, and chicken powder. These are additional ingredients. We need some noodles, crab sticks, fish tofu, and 2 kinds of mushroom. I mean 3 kinds. So slice lang natin yung mushroom natin. Yan. Malaki. Yeah. Then this one. Yan. Okay, let's start this. Bring it boil the noodles. Wait lang natin mag-boil. Mag-boil lang. So isasama na natin yung noodles. So the noodles is already here. Hintayin lang natin mag-boil. So it's already boiling. So we can turn it off. So set aside natin. Tayo mag-saute. Start with... Okay. Ayan, hot na. Let's start with sauteing the aromatic. So the oil, think mga 2 tablespoons. Then start with garlic. Then, sunod natin kaagad yung onion. Then, bawasan natin yung apoy kasi malakas na siya. The next is the mushroom. Okay, mushroom. Tignan natin yung mushroom. So, yan. Then, there. Yan. Then, what's next? Other vegetables. So, ito na yung ibang vegetables natin. Pwede ba? The main actor. Patayin muna natin. Yan. Diretso na sa... Okay. Let's continue, guys. Sarap na yan. Sarap na. So, start tayo mag-season ng ba't inaan natin. So, let's start with chicken powder. So, chicken powder, like 1 teaspoon chicken powder. No? Yan. Then, lagay din tayo ng ground pepper. Ground pepper. Yung ground pepper natin. No? The Lee Kum Kee na hoisin sauce. So, start tayo ng hoisin sauce. So, dito, mga 3 tablespoon tayo. Ayan. Ayan. So, ayan, nagkakaroon na siya ng moisture na siya kasi masarap na siya. Ito marami lang ingredients pero simple lang to. Mas simple pa to sa pancit canton. Ayan. Then, saka natin nilagay yung sinet aside natin na noodles. Lagay natin yung noodles dyan. Siyempre, walay natin yung sabaw. Yan. Yung noodles yung magbabalance ng mga ingredients para hindi masyado. Actually, you can use other kind of noodles like egg noodles or sotanghon. Yan, we're almost na. Medyo tanggalin lang natin yung pagka dikit-dikit. At good to go na to. Yan. So, this is our stir-fried bean sprout with fish tofu. So, ayan na siya. konting, I think okay na. Lalagyan na lang natin siya ng konting flavor. The Cocoa Bells. What's this? Garlic. Okay na. We're done cooking. So, this is it. The stir-fried noodles. Yan. Ayan. Guys, ito na. Ito na nga siya.